guys, this is your Pichai Explorer. Behind me is the Govardhan Eco Village.
Hmm.
It is 88 kilometers from Mumbai.
In this episode, we are going to explore Vrindavan Dham, which is located near Mumbai. You can also witness the Vrindavan forest too, along with miniatures of all divine destinations, which is located at Vrindavan. So let's begin the journey of Govardhan Eco Village, alias Mini Vrindavan. Govardhan Eco Village, located just 82 kilometers away from Mumbai Andheri. It will take hardly 1 hour 30 minutes to reach by road. If you're coming via flight, it's just 93 kilometers from Mumbai Airport. If you wish to come via train, then Boisar is the nearest railway station on the Western Line. From Express Highway number 48, you have to take a turn towards Wada from Manor, and you have to proceed towards a village called Ghat. As you reach the location, you realize this place is a bit far away from the city chaos and located in a very quiet and peaceful place. This is the main entry. As soon as we entered, the first word we heard was Prabhuji. Yes, here everyone called each other Prabhuji for men and Mataji for women as respect. The parking space is located in the reception area, from where you can gather information. A golf car or buggy, the facility is available for all visitors who are coming for a day visit and stay. Serene and untouched by the modern world, this beautiful jungle retreat is set over 85 acres. It is located in the foothills of Sahyadri Mountains. The retreat was built with love, following the vision of Radhanath Swami of creating simple living and high thinking. This property is recognized by United Nations World Tourism Organization with an award for sustainable tourism. One of their very special activities in the day visit or a tour, wherein one can explore the Vrindavan forest along with the daily chores that happen. On this day visit, one gets everything to know about this Vrindavan forest, nestled in the lap of nature. The main purpose of this eco village is for well-being and retreat programs like yoga, Ayurveda, residential courses, sustainability. We visited here for a stay so that we can enjoy the serenity of a place and emerge with divinity. They have four types of accommodation options: Mahavan Cottage, Gokul Cottage, Vrindavan Cottage, and Madhuvan Cottage. Mahavan and Madhuvan are in the same price. Gokul is the least, coming with non-AC room. Vrindavan is on the higher side, but it won't exceed 5,000 rupees.